And if you do, then like, share, subscribe, blah blah blah. So yeah, see you. Hello everyone. Today I will be making Filipino soup, the sinigang soup, the vegetarian option. So we've got our Mamacita sinigang mix, which is this one, and this is the hot one. And we've got some of our ingredients. So we have green beans, onion, tomato, aubergine, jalapeno peppers, and garlic. We like lots of garlic. We like it garlicky. We like it spicy. On the big pot. So first, I will chop the garlic and chop the onion, and just fry it a little bit. Kind of sweat it, so the flavors are there. So the sinigang soup, why am I making it? So the first time Andrew made it, he made it with pork ribs, and I must say it doesn't look appealing. Yeah, it's not the most pretty looking dish, but I really like it. I really like the sourness of it. We have something similar in Poland. It's kind of similar to tomato soup. That is a little bit sour as well. Well, it depends how everyone makes it, but I like it sour. And I think this is what the most I like about sinigang, that it's very soury. And I really like this flavor. So yeah, so the first time Andrew made it, he made it with pork ribs. But today I'm just doing the vegetarian option that for me is equally good. So yeah, there is a few dishes in Filipino cuisine that I really like. One of which is sinigang. Anyway, we got the mix from Filipino shop nearby. And yeah, I really like it. It's fairly easy. It's not one of the most difficult recipes. It's easy to make and it tastes nice. So yeah. I also love, I like your chicken adobo. I made it a few times. I'm not crazy about it, but I like it. I made chicken inasal once. We had it on the barbecue. That one was really nice. I really like the ginger and the vinegar. So this one I really liked as well. Ooh, seasoning. Yum, I love seasoning. I love pork seasoning. But to be fair, I've tried to make it at home a couple of times. And I don't know, it just doesn't really work out. It doesn't taste as good because, as I mentioned, we have this Filipino restaurant down the road, and they make very nice pork seasoning, and I really love it. So I tried to recreate it at home. I think I tried to do it for the first time for Andrew's birthday or something like this, or maybe for, yeah, either for his birthday or maybe for like Valentine's Day, something silly. And it was okay, but it wasn't amazing. It wasn't as good. So yeah, so this one I think is better to go and get it at the restaurant, unless you have an amazing recipe. Then tell me about it. So I'll try to do it. Oh, I like tocino. I really like tocino. A few times we bought the frozen one, and I really like it. But the first time I had tocino was obviously in Philippines. Yeah, I love tocino. So yeah, a bit of olive oil, and we will add this to the pot. I'll make this one a little bit lower because I don't want it burned. I want it brown. So let this one cook here for a bit. And in the meantime, I will prepare the beef. Okay, so the battery died and I had to change the GoPro. The battery, not the GoPro. So now we're gonna chop off this little boy. The thing is, you don't have to chop off the other ends, which Andrew sometimes does, I don't know why. But those are eatable. How could I forget about lumpia? Lumpia! I love spring rolls. I love Filipino spring rolls. And I've made them multiple times. In fact, my family loved it as well. And in fact, my sister asked me to make spring rolls for her wedding, which I had to do, I think, 300 spring rolls. That took me ages. I didn't realize how. Right, so now we have this pot full of water and onion, and for now it obviously tastes disgusting. But we'll start adding ingredients. So I'm just gonna add a bit of salt now, and just a bit of pepper. Let that boil, and once it's boiling I will add the beans, fish sauce, which I can't stand the smell of fish sauce. It smells terrible. It smells disgusting to me. But I don't think anyone likes it, right? It's meant to smell disgusting. I was doing the lumpia for the wedding for 300 people. That was exhausting, but everyone loved it. I usually make it with pork, and obviously onion, carrots, garlic. I don't remember what else do you add there. Magic. Sometimes I do it with prawns as well, but that depends. I usually make big batch and just freeze them. And I actually love eating spring rolls with rice and banana ketchup. I'm addicted to banana ketchup. I love banana ketchup. In fact, I could eat banana ketchup with rice by itself. I think banana ketchup is great. And you know, funny thing, my family in Poland, they like banana ketchup as well. So sometimes when I fly to Poland, I will buy it here and just bring it there, because I don't think they can buy it anywhere. I like Spam. I'm not happy about it though. Not proud of it, let's say. But I do like Spam. But we don't fry it. We fried it at the beginning, and then we realized it's so much better to put it in the oven. I used to eat corned beef, but to be fair, I don't like it anymore. I don't know why. It's just something happened. Oh, look, I missed one. Yeah, I used to like it, but I don't know. I don't like corned beef. You know, Andrew loves this shrimp paste that you can eat. For example, with mango and something, and then you put the shrimp paste. Oh my god, I hate this thing. It is so fishy, and I hate it. Okay, cool. So we've got this one. We'll add it in the soup now, and the fish sauce, which that's terrible. Oh, I like pancit. I actually made it the other day. But pancit is just like noodles, really. Any noodles. Yeah, but I like pancit. From desserts, I love the leche flan, and I actually made it a few times as well, and Andrew said it was very good, so I guess it was good. I mean, I like the taste of it, but what I mean that Andrew approved it is that it tasted like in Philippines. So that's a good thing. Yeah, I love ube. I love anything with ube, really. My first visit in Philippines, I brought a lot of like ube candies. It wasn't a candy, it was more like a powdery sweet. Like when you eat it, it was kind of like a powdery texture. I don't know. I can't remember what was the name of it. But I brought a lot of that, and also for my parents and my friends. And everyone was just so shocked. Like, what is ube? I mean, how is that a sweet potato? How is that like a root, like a vegetable, like sweet potato kind of thing? And then you make dessert out of it. So yeah, but it tastes amazing. I really love ube. And sometimes I buy the ube halaya in the, no, not halaya. Is ube halaya? Ube jam, or whatever. In the Filipino shop. And I make ube cheesecake. And I love ube cheesecake. I actually never tried doing anything else. No, I made ube muffins once, but they were kind of dry. But they were nice and tasty, but they were a bit dry. I was actually attempting to make ube mamon that time, but it ended up being a muffin because it didn't work out. I'm not very good at baking. I don't really like baking. I prefer cooking. But yeah, but ube cheesecake is good. I like ube cheesecake. Also, I made it for Christmas. Yeah, I made it for Christmas when my parents came over. And everyone loved it. And I brought as well, like sometimes when I go to Poland, I would bring ube halaya or the ube jam to Poland because I don't think they can buy it there. And my mom really likes it, so she loves the cheesecake as well. So I would bring her like a jar or two. And then she just cooks it with as well. Like she does like if they have a party or if they have a I don't know, just any occasion she would make sometimes this ube cheesecake and be so proud that, you know, they don't have it in Poland and this is like such Filipino flavor. So obviously in Poland especially is something that you probably people never heard of. So it's just very cool and unique and original. So yeah, what else? Ube. Oh, and I buy the ube extract as well. But you know, lately, apparently everyone is doing the ube pandesal, which I wanted to try to make as well. But because everyone is doing it, you cannot buy freaking ube anywhere because it's sold out. I don't know how many times I went to the Filipino shop lately, and every time they said they're just not able to get it from the suppliers because it's sold out everywhere. Oh, I make sometimes as well the fried, this one, aubergine, like smashed, not smashed, just like fried with an egg. And you eat it with, well, you know how you eat it. But yeah, we eat it with rice and ketchup as well. Oh, spaghetti. Filipino sweet spaghetti. I only made it a few times actually, maybe 3 or 4 times. So we bought this Del Monte ready sauce, and yeah, you just add it to the pan, super easy. Oh, I also, oh my god, I'm just realizing that I'm teaching my family in Poland how to eat Filipino food, which is kind of funny. Oh, this is too small. What am I doing? Yeah, so I actually I bought this sauce as well for my mom, and she took it to Poland, and I told her that she can make it with hot dogs. But she's not a big fan of hot dogs. And I told her she can make it with minced meat as well, but I think she just ended up doing it with nothing, just like plain spaghetti. And I like it. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of. This has started to boil, so I'm just gonna add my mamacita mix, and I will also add some hot peppers now. I really like spicy food, so sometimes I would actually cook and make something that's probably a little bit too spicy for Andrew. But, and you know, this mix was already hot as well, so I don't want to add too many of those. Okay, enough. And so this one I will let it boil for a bit now, and as the beans are softened a bit, I will just add the aubergine and the tomato towards the end because they're cooked very quickly, so they don't get like all soggy. Yeah, and that's it. This is my sinigang vegetarian option soup. soup is boiling away. The beans are slowly starting to get softer. We're not quite ready yet, but a lot of water have evaporated, so I will add some more water here in a minute, and then I will add this gorgeous aubergine and tomato, and we will try for the taste if it tastes good. Let it cook. So I might have overreacted a bit with everything because it's very full, but I'm gonna go ahead and add tomatoes now. Okay, so there we go. And that's all. Just gonna leave it to cook now for another some time. I hope you liked the video of me cooking. It's the first time I'm doing such thing, so yeah, let me know how it goes, how it went, if you like it or not. And if you do, then like, share, subscribe, blah blah blah. So yeah.